Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you're new and viewing for the first time, we would like to say welcome. We would love to have you as part of the Elegance family. We would love it if you would hit that subscribe button to your right and make sure to turn on your post notification so that you would be notified every time we post a new video. Today we will make a crushed glass decorative vase. So if this is a project you think you may be interested in making, just continue to keep watching. For this project, you will need a 12 to 14-inch glass vase, Mod Podge, crushed glass, and a paintbrush. All materials that we're using will be linked in the description bar below this video. We did not have any rubber bands handy, so we are just trying to make this line as straight as we can get it. But if you want that polished look, and if you're trying to make this a permanent piece in your home and you're making it for your home or someone, then we recommend that you use maybe some tape or even some rubber bands. We're applying one coat of crushed glass to this design, but if you decide to do two coats, make sure you give it at least a 30-minute to an hour dry time in between your coat. Now this part is optional. You don't have to use the bigger crushed glass to glue onto your vase. But if you love a lot of glitz and glam, then you want to consider using the bigger crushed glass as well. So this does complete our tutorial for today. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, please give us a thumbs up and give us feedback. Let us know how we're doing on these projects. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, we would love to have you become a part of the Elegance family. All you would have to do is hit the subscribe button to your right and make sure to turn on your post notifications so that you will be notified every time we post a new video. Until next time, may God bless you and keep you, and we will see you on our next video. Bye.